So I'm really excited about today's cooking episode because we are making another one of my favorites, of course. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been on a health journey for a while. But finding things like this to kind of make it a little easier. So if you watched the last video, you would see that we made keto chicken nuggets, which are amazing. They're so good. I have some right here. So today we are making chicken and waffles. For the waffles, we will be using this. So a little background. I love herba, depending on what it is. Herba, whatever they call it. The Herbalife. They just came out with a protein baked goods mix. Let me center it. So I stopped by my favorite shake place in Connecticut today, Respect CT, and Ari had one of these for me. And she was making muffins and it smelled so good in there, but I was really excited. So this mix, 2 scoops of this have 2.5 grams of fat, 6 carbs, and 2 grams of sugars, which is awesome. I don't like the Formula Ones because they just have too much sugar in them for me, and I try to stay away from them. It will throw me off. But what I do is I'll mix it with like my go-to, which is Fairlife, because these have 30 grams of proteins, 2 sugars, and I think 3 carbs, and that's in a whole bottle. And we only use a little bit for the waffle. So we're going to be using, this is our base, mixing it with the Fairlife. And of course, you know we're going to put a scoop of Gem Pro in there because I need to hit my protein goals for the day. So I'm really excited and I can't wait for you guys to try this at home. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 2 scoops of our Herbalife baked goods mix, put them in the bowl. And I've tried a lot of different protein waffles. They all kind of have like a weird aftertaste. Even like the mix from Trader Joe's I don't really like. But this one is so good. We're gonna take an egg white, leave the yolk at home. I'm gonna do 1/4. So if you want to use water, you can use water. If you want to use milk, skim milk, whatever, I'm pretty sure it all works the same. For me, I am going to use the Fairlife vanilla. I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of that in there. Okay, so I added the Gem Pro and a little bit more of the protein shake. I'm gonna get that in there nice. Okay. Coconut oil Pam, no calories, no carbs, no nothing, no fat. It's my favorite. I'm gonna throw the chicken in the air fryer just to reheat. We're gonna move over to our waffle iron here. Okay, so we're gonna spray the coconut oil top and bottom, and then we're going to pour. Spread it around so our waffle is nice and even. Okay, close that. Look how good that looks. Okay, so I have some berries, healthy berries, black raspberries, strawberries, which are my fave. You could put a little monk sugar on those too to make them nice and sweet. Sugar-free Cool Whip. It's literally the best. No fat. You could put a little for like, you know, the regular waffle taste. I can't believe it's not butter. It is my butter replacement for literally everything. So we can put some of that on there. And then this is my secret weapon. This is the best tasting sugar-free syrup I have tasted so far. A lot of the other ones have that weird aftertaste and it just is not working. Okay, so in 2 tablespoons of this syrup, there's 10 calories and 4 carbs, so it's not too bad. Put our chicken. Look how good. Like, seriously, get into it. Okay. Put a little hot sauce on our chicken. It's definitely giving me brunch vibes. Okay, and here we have it. It smells so good. Okay. Let's taste this. Let me zoom in some. I need a piece with a good amount of syrup. Strawberry and some Cool Whip and a blackberry. Honestly, you wouldn't even know that this was a protein waffle. And I'm not lying. I might have to start selling these. This makes up for Sunday brunch. Let's get a piece of chicken. Whole meal fuego. Alright guys, that is my I put too much food in my mouth. That was really good. That was my take on keto chicken and waffles. I really think this one is gonna be like the one that makes me YouTube famous because I've never seen this before. At least not this combination. So you know where you've seen it first. I want another piece. Because that's how good it is. I think it's the Cool Whip. I don't know. Okay, let me not play myself because you guys know my stomach is the size of a tennis ball. Actually, no, that was a bad. No, because tennis balls are pretty big. Size of a golf ball. Or a poker chip. Yeah. You guys have a great night. And if you make any of the recipes, tag me in them. TheAnaJ on Instagram. Well, TheAnaJ on everything. Tag me in it so I can put it in my story and follow back and all that good stuff. Have a good night.